This is the condensing unit. This house has one system. It's a pain. I'm going to do some homework. See the data plate right here. I'm going to do some homework, but I believe it was manufactured in 2017. This unit's about 4 years old. We're going into 2021. Goodbye 2020. Yay! Okay, it's 5 tons. The refrigerant is 410A. That's the good stuff. Circuit breaker, what do we got over here? AC, 50 amps. It's only rated for 40. It's overfused. It's overfused, too much power. This could melt down before the breaker trips. Just saying. We got dirty coils. 4 years ago, this was the wrong insulation. It's supposed to be rigid, so it doesn't do this. It's the wrong insulation was installed. It's too close to the wall. Of course, it doesn't fit on its foundation pad either. You can't win. You can't win. Not if you want to keep it here. You put it out there and make it right. You're going to lose some parking. Somebody made a decision. Not judging. Disconnect box should be sealed. Should have been sealed. Here's the dead front. It's not supposed to be located behind the unit. It's not supposed to be back there. And looky here. It's not even hooked up. There's the lugs in there. Here's the wires. This disconnect doesn't even work. It's been bypassed. And then the features here, fuse bad went lit, you know, none of that works. That's just a junction box. For all practical purposes, this is hardwired into place. At a minimum, the insulation should be addressed. At a minimum, the disconnect should be addressed. At a minimum, the circuit breaker in the breaker box should be addressed. And then it's got the other things. It's too close. We do not have anti-theft Schrader valve covers. Coils are dirty. At a minimum, the coils are dirty.